I am going to show you how to add DJ Ace 2000 at hotmail.com in your NRC app. Keep in mind that it's very important that you add his email address and not his name. It's a better workaround with some of the pitfalls of the NRC app. Keep in mind, you do not have to be friends on Facebook in order to be a part of this group. All you'll need to do is just add him on the Nike Run Club app, NRC, on the Nike Run Club app. The email was set up as a dummy email that we use for the Nike Run Club app. So please, there's no need to email him. Just add him as a friend in your NRC app using the DJ Ace 2000 at hotmail.com email address. Let me show you how. Okay, in your app, you're going to select the menu and Club. I am working off of an Android system. If you are working with the iPhone, it is the same icon with the two people that says Club. Once you get there, you're going to select the icon with the person and the plus sign. I'm going to click off of that. Then you're going to select the magnifying glass. When you get here, you'll search DJ Ace 2000 at hotmail.com. You'll see his name pop up, Vaughn Wilson, and then you'll hit the plus sign that's there. I don't have a plus sign there because we are already friends in the NRC app. Once you've clicked the plus sign, it should take less than 24 hours to add you as a friend. If you're not added within 24 hours, then just drop me a message in Facebook, your email along with your name, and I'll add you. You cannot add Vaughn Wilson. I'm going to show you very quickly the selection that comes up when you search for a Vaughn Wilson. It's showing me Vaughn here because we're already friends. But look at all of these other Vaughn Wilsons. So that's why we want you to search by email, please. Search by email in the NRC app. It does no good to add him as a friend on Facebook or to email him. It's a dummy email address that we use specifically for the NRC app, and we don't check it. So use the NRC app to do a search for DJ Ace 2000 at hotmail.com to add him as a friend in the app. Thank you and welcome to the OB-Fit Mega Ace Challenge Club, where it's your pace and your race. See you on the pavement.